Welcome, in front of me is POCO M6, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen PIN code. So first of all, make sure that you're trying to enter the PIN code to your lock screen and not your SIM card PIN code, because I'm only mentioning that because these two numbers are often mistaken for each other. So make sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code and try to enter it once again. In case it still doesn't work for you, and if you think that you forgot your PIN code, and there is no chance that you can remember it, then the best decision in such case will be to contact Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them by showing the receipt, for example, they will most likely be able to let you regain access to your smartphone and grant the access to your smartphone to you without removing any data from your device. If this option is unavailable for you for any reason, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. To do that, you can either use the Find Hub service. You don't have to use it on these phones, of course, since you don't have access to it. But what you have to do is use any other device, open the search engine on it, and search for the Find Hub service. Look it up, then you're gonna find the official Find Hub website on Google. What you're gonna have to do is sign in to your Google account on this website. Unfortunately, I don't have mobile data right now. Okay, so yeah, this one, just sign in to on this website using your Google account that is linked to this device. Then select this device on the devices list, and select the factory reset device option. Wait until the factory reset is performed, and then you'll have to set up your device as a new one, and eventually you'll regain access to your smartphone. Alternatively, you can use recovery mode in order to perform the factory reset, but if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode on the smartphone, we have an entire video on our channel titled how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on our POCO M6. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out, and your problem eventually will be solved. But if you do remember the PIN code to your smartphone, you can try to use it in the safe mode instead of the normal one, because this way your lock screen will not be lagging, and no third-party applications will affect the way that it behaves. And to enter the safe mode, all you have to do is press the volume up key and the power button at the same time, then slide down to reboot option, and then wait until you see the Xiaomi logo on your screen. And once you see it, start pressing the volume down key until your phone vibrates. Okay, so once you see the Mi logo, start holding down the volume down key and just wait for a while. And when your phone vibrates, release the volume down button and just wait until your smartphone boots into the safe mode. And once your device boots into the safe mode, you will see the indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. So here you can try entering your PIN code again, and it should work this time in case you remember it. Then once you enter it correctly, go to settings, then scroll down to the fingerprints, face data and screen lock option. Open it, then tap on your screen lock, confirm with your PIN code once again, click next, and then select turn off screen lock. click OK, and then just restart your phone by pressing the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Select reboot and wait until your device is restarted, and after that you will regain access to your phone. So I really hope that this video helped you with your issue, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.